Hello everyone, welcome to Code Up ZA, where code is made easy and tech is made simple. Today we'll be looking at how to create a React app. With your VS Code open, you're gonna go open a folder. My folder is saved in my desktop and I've already created my folder. So I'm just gonna search for my folder by typing React app because that's what it's saved as. You select the folder, and now to check which version of Node.js that you have, click on New Terminal, and I'm just going to type in node -v. Now this is going to show the version I have, and my current version that I have is version 24.13.0. And if you don't have it, you're just going to go to Microsoft Edge, and you're going to type in node download. Right, then you click on that first link. This is the website, and this is how it's supposed to look. To check the version that you want to download, there are the multiple versions that you can get. I suggest the latest. Click on Windows Installer, and I'm going to cancel mine because I already have Node.js set up. And now we're just going to start by creating our app, and we're going to type in npx space create React app, my first app. That's done loading, so we're just going to type out cd my first app. Now there's a difference here, folks, and I need you guys to pay close attention. There is no dashes between our words like what we did in the beginning. And once you're done with that, you click on enter, you type npm start, click on enter again, and it's going to load for a little while and start your app. Alright, and there is your first React app, and nothing is showing because we have nothing coded in our source files. And please guys, make sure it's showing localhost 3000, and let's go put something in our source files just so we can see how a React app will look. Go back to VS Code, go to our source packages over there, and there are our source files. So we go to app.js, and we're just going to remove that header that they have created for us automatically, which is what we saw when we open the file. And we're just going to put in a heading. I'm just going to use heading style 1. This is simple HTML coding. We're just going to write my first app. And please make sure that you save, guys. That white dot that you see over there is there because I didn't save and I haven't saved yet. So just a quick click of Control and S. We're going to open a new terminal. And in our terminal, we're just going to type in cd my first app. Click on enter, and we type in npm start. And after you click on enter, you don't press anything else. The app is going to open on its own. So we'd like to run another port instead. Yes. I'm going to click on yes, and there's our first app. I just noticed now that my spelling of first is incorrect, but there's our first app. That is how the heading is going to look, and the app is going to look as you add on to the source packages or the source files. And that's it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.